हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम विलियम डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे we discuss about most important concept of international economics. Today we discuss about the objective and function of International Monetary Fund. In International Monetary Fund is the twin sister of World Bank. The origin of International Monetary Fund goes back to the day of international talks of 1930. During the Second World War, plan for construction and international institution for establishment of monetary order were taken up at the Bretton Woods Conference held in July 1944. Main objective of International Monetary Fund are: first, to promote international monetary cooperation through permanent institutions which provide the machinery for conciliation and collaboration on international monetary problems. Second objective of International Monetary Fund is to facilitate the expansion and balanced growth of international trade and to contribute thereby to promotion and maintenance of high level of employment and real income, and to the development of the productive resources of all members as primary objective of economic policy. Third objective of International Monetary Fund is to promote exchange stability, to maintain orderly exchange arrangement among members and avoid competitive exchange depreciation. Fourth objective of International Monetary Fund is to assist in the establishment of a multilateral system of payment in respect of current transactions between members and in elimination of foreign exchange restrictions. Fifth objective of International Monetary Fund is to give confidence to members by making the general resources of fund temporarily available to them under the adequate safeguard, thus provide them with opportunity to correct maladjustment in their balance of payment without resorting to measure destructive of national or international prosperity of the growth of world trade. In accordance with the above, to shorten the duration and lessen the degree of disequilibrium in the international balance of payment. Function of International Monetary Fund. The principal function of International Monetary Fund to supervise the international monetary system. Several functions are derived from this. These are the granting of credit to member countries in the midst of temporary balance of payment deficit, surveillance over the monetary and exchange rate policy. The main function of International Monetary Fund is to provide temporary financing support to its members so that fundamental balance of payment disequilibrium can be corrected. However, such granting of credit is subject to strict conditionality. The conditionality is a direct consequence of the International Monetary Fund surveillance function. over the exchange rate policy or adjustment policy of member. The main conditionality clause is the introduction of structural reforms. Low-income countries brave attraction of the International Monetary Fund in the early year of 1980s, when many of them faced trouble of balance of payment difficulties and they served debt repayment problem. Adjustment this backdrop, the fund took up a stabilization program as well as the structural adjustment program. Stabilization program is a demand management issue while a structural program constructs on supply management. The International Monetary Fund insists member countries to implement the program to tackle macroeconomic instability. The fund provides financial assistance. It includes credit or loan to member countries with balance of payment problem to support policy of adjustment and reform. It make its financial resources available to member countries through a variety of financial facilities. In addition, technical assistance is also given by International Monetary Fund. Technical assistance consists of expertise, expertise and support provided by International Monetary Fund to its member in several broad areas. The design and implemented a fiscal monetary policy, institutional and institutional building. Thank you.